Hey everyone, Daniel from Twin Bytes with another tutorial for you, and this time I'm going to show you how you can convert a PDF document such as this one into a Word document. And it's much easier than you might think, but there are some limitations depending on how that PDF was created. So I'm going to show you how to convert it and how you can edit it easily right here. First of all, you need to access your PDF file at the same time as seeing a Word document open next to it. Now, you don't want to have an actual blank document open because it won't work. It needs to be on the home screen here, such as this, when you first open Word. And really all you would do is grab the icon and drag it in here somewhere. And you can see the icon changes a little bit. So anywhere on here should be fine. Then you'll get a message that Word is now going to convert your PDF to an editable Word document, and it might take a while, and it of course depends on the size of your PDF. It also warns you that it might not look exactly like the original PDF, so not to keep your hopes up too much. So we'll go ahead and hit OK, and after a very short wait, we can see that we've got our Word document now looking pretty much exactly the same as the PDF was. So looking at these two side by side, we can see a couple of things right off the bat. First of all, the introducing Twin Bytes Inc., which is our title, is underneath the icons, where up here it's above it, so that's off a little bit. But if we scroll through the rest of the document, we can see that most of it's fine. We got our text, and then we even have our images at the very bottom. So if we want to, we can just as easily just grab this text and then drag it up to the top, and now that's fixed. Looking at these images, when we first click on it, it highlights all of them together all at once. If you click again on one individual one, you can see that now we have the ability to modify, edit, and move around the individual files. The text, of course, is also editable, so you can see that it's got everything here, just plain text that you can modify. There is some issues with some of the wording. I guess we've got something here like the testimonials. I've got it over here, countless testimonials, but over here it's got the T and the I missing for some reason, so it didn't copy that over. So there could be some issues with that, maybe because of the way the images are. Certifications is showing there, Microsoft, and it underlines them because they're spelling mistakes. But those are easily fixed because it's all editable text, and at least for the most part it's all there and lined up the way it was. Even the images here with the text wrapping around it is done perfectly. In this particular document as well, at the bottom it's got the images and it's spilled over to a second page, but we can always modify that a little bit and make it fit. Once again, clicking once, it highlights all of them together at once because it's a section, but clicking again we can see that they're separately selected images. And I can go like this, move stuff around, and it's got the full image. It didn't just take it with them overlapping like it was on the PDF document over here. It actually was able to extract the full images. On some PDFs that I've looked at, they don't allow you to have this full level of control. So again, it depends on how that PDF was created. In this case, it was created originally from a Word document and then turned into a PDF. So now taking it back to a Word document, it worked perfectly, aside from some of these other spelling mistakes that have been created. And that's how quick and easy it is to convert a PDF document into a Word document to edit. And that's it for this tutorial. I hope you did find it helpful. If you did, please do give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing. Even better, give it a super thanks. And thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.